Alright, now let's talk about something that makes command code safe and reliable to use. Because when you're letting an agent modify your code, you need control. Let's start with checkpoints. Even if you're using the plan mode or the auto accept mode, command code always creates checkpoints before modifying files. You can think of checkpoints like automatic save points. Every time you send a message or command code edits something, a snapshot is created. So if something goes wrong, you don't fix it manually, you simply rewind it. Now how to use it? Inside your command code session, simply run this /rewind command or press the escape key twice. You'll see a list of checkpoints with your messages, timestamps, and even the number of files changed. After selecting a checkpoint, then you're asked to choose what to restore. Now command code gives you three options. If you select the conversation option, it will remove all messages after the checkpoint and the code remains unchanged. If you select the code only option, that restores all code to its state at the checkpoint and conversation remains intact. On the other hand, if you select the both option, that's the full reset. It restores both the conversation and the code. So if command code messes something up, you just go back like it never happened. Now why this is powerful? This changes how you work and you don't have to be overly cautious. You can try risky changes, experiment freely, iterate faster because you always have a safe fallback. Now let's talk about memory inside command code. This is how you give command code persistent instructions. Inside a command code session, simply run this /init command. This will create an AGENTS.md file for you. You can think of this as long-term guidance for your agent. You can define things like coding style, project structure, workflows, architecture decisions. And there are two levels, the project level memory and the user level memory. The project level memory is shared across teams, whereas the user level memory includes your personal preferences. Now to edit the memory file anytime, simply run this /memory command inside your command code session and then select a memory to edit. That way you can edit your agents.md file. Now you must be thinking, what is the difference between command code taste and memory? So let me tell you that taste is learned automatically by command code. On the other hand, inside agents.md file, that's the memory, you add things you want to enforce explicitly. These two files work together. So basically, checkpoints gives you safety and memory gives you consistency. So you can move fast without breaking things. Follow along so you can learn more about the best ways to use command code efficiently.